This guy won.
Subject mic 1 2.
Like a robot, huh?
Subject mic 1 2.
Big hands to the Equipment Services Department. Can we have the judges closer view? Pwede natin siya papuntahin sa judges table. Okay, move on.
No, it's okay.
Okay. Okay, to the next table, please. Okay, thank you so much. And that concludes our human Christmas tree competition. A big hands to the creativity, good ideas, and excellent performance of MMG employees. Okay, let's move on to the next contender. Our talent number 8 for the GOT